Did you know there are only 5 to 6 days in your entire cycle when you can get pregnant? Most women guess the wrong days and miss their actual fertile window. Today, I'll show you exactly when your chances of conception are highest. Using simple timing you can follow every month. Your fertile window is the 5 days before ovulation plus the day of ovulation itself. Here's why. Sperm can live inside the reproductive tract for 3 to 5 days. The egg survives for 12 to 24 hours. So sex before ovulation is more effective than sex on ovulation day. This is why timing is everything. If your cycle is regular, these are your most fertile days. Day 1 equals first day of your period. If your cycle is 28 days. Ovulation. Day 14, best days for conception. Days 10 to 15 if your cycle is 30 days. Ovulation. Day 16, best days. Days 12 to 17 if your cycle is 26 days. Ovulation. Day 12, best days. Days 8-1-3. But here's the most important point. The best chance of pregnancy is from 2 days before ovulation to ovulation day. This is when the sperm are already waiting in the fallopian tubes for the egg. You don't need complicated tests. Your body gives clear signals. 1. Cervical mucus changes. Around ovulation, it becomes clear, stretchy, egg white-like. This is the biggest sign you're fertile. 2. Ovulation predictor kits, OPKs ***. A positive test means you'll ovulate within 24 to 36 hours. 3. Ovulation pain. Mittelschmerz, ***, a dull or sharp cramp on one side of the pelvis. 4. Basal body temperature ***, it rises slightly after ovulation, confirming ovulation has happened. These clues help you find your exact fertile window every month. For most couples, the best approach is every other day during fertile window. This keeps sperm quality high. Or if you want the highest chances, have intercourse 1 to 2 days before ovulation. And once again on ovulation day, this timing achieves the highest pregnancy success rates. Here are the biggest mistakes that reduce chances of pregnancy. Waiting for ovulation day only, thinking you can conceive after ovulation. Misreading cervical mucus. Skipping days because of stress. Assuming a 28-day cycle when yours is different. Remember, you're most fertile before ovulation, not after. Understanding your fertile window is one of the most powerful ways to improve your chances of conception. It's not about luck, it's about timing. If you want videos on how to improve egg quality, implantation tips, or signs of strong ovulation, comment below. I'll make them next.